Hello! Today I'm going to be making little cute furry Christmas trees to put on your mantle or your windowsill, to put on your mantle or your windowsill, or just any little nook and cranny you got in your house that needs a little Christmas cheer, you know? I don't have a set plan in mind for this, so we're just gonna, again, figure it out as we go along here. I always see these little variations of Christmas trees for sale at like Target, Hobby Lobby, like any home decor store. And I thought, I could probably make some of my own that look probably just as cute, but for like half the price, if that. And fingers crossed it turns out the way I hope it will. For this project, I got everything at, you guessed it, Hobby Lobby. This ribbon was in the Christmas section for half off, so it was only $5. I found these adorable wood chips for $3.50, some sparkly sticks for $3, and I also got some foam poster board and some cardboard, but it's just not shown in this clip. The first thing I'm going to do is start drawing out the shape I want the little Christmas trees to be in. I did spend some time before this sketching out different variations of triangles, trying to figure out what kind of shape I wanted it to be, and I think I have a good idea of what kind of shape I want. I'm just using pen because no one is actually going to see this poster board. It's going to be covered up with our ribbon, so if I mess up, that's okay. I can just scribble over it and no one will even know. I'm gonna use this for reference though. I didn't bring out measuring tape. I'm just going to use the width of the ribbon to gauge how wide to draw my trees. They're gonna be kind of narrow, which I think will actually be pretty cute. Okay. They're gonna be really narrow. Now that I'm seeing this ribbon laid out, I'm like, that's a lot more narrow than I was originally thinking, but that's okay. I kind of want them to be all different heights. That way when like I put them side by side to each other, I think that would be really cute. Okay, I'm just gonna start with the 3. Now I've never cut this thick of poster board before without an X-Acto knife, and again, I am learning as I go with these things, so cutting this with scissors might be a horrible idea, but I don't really have anything else, so we'll see how this goes. Learn from my mistakes if this is a disaster. Plan ahead better than me. I did get new scissors though, so we no longer have those dull fabric scissors. Oh, this is gonna be tough. Yeah, this is actually a very bad idea. Okay, so that was a major struggle, and if you are ever cutting cardboard or the foam poster board, please be smarter than me and get one of those X-Acto knives so you can just slice right through it, because with scissors, my hand is actually sore after trying to cut that. So I made one with the foam poster board, and then I ended up getting out some cardboard and cutting 2 others out of the cardboard, and honestly, both were hard to cut with scissors, so just don't put yourself through that, okay? Next, I'm going to take my cute sticks and I'm going to glue them onto our little trees here. I really need to invest in like an extension cord or something for my hot glue gun, because once again, I'm just sitting in a weird spot just so I can glue this. And good news, I got new glue sticks that actually are the right size for my hot glue gun. So I'm just gonna take one of my cute little sticks and I'm going to I'm gonna put a ton of hot glue on the cardboard. Also, I'm gonna hope that this is centered. I don't think it is though, so just gonna roll with that. Actually, I need more hot glue. Hot glue kind of stresses me out because you have to act really fast. You can't see, but I have a ton of hot glue on this. I'm gonna place my stick on here. How cute. Since I know you couldn't see the gluing process, this is about how much glue I used to glue on the sticks, which I think is enough. If it starts to look kind of like it's not gonna stay, then I'm going to add more. But I kind of made them, oh, they're all sticking together. I kind of made them different heights. And they don't need to be perfect. Next, I'm going to measure out my fur, kind of, and I'm gonna glue it on, and then I'm just gonna trim the excess fur into the shape of the tree once it's glued onto the poster board. So again, I have to take my awkward seat back there, but I'll give you an update. So once you glue the fur to one side, you're gonna wanna cut it in the shape that you have the cardboard in, and then you're gonna wanna flip it around and do the same thing to the other side. That way, from both sides, you got the fur going on. And then what I did, so that you can't see the cardboard really as much on the sides, is I just glued the edges together, and then I just pressed them together so that they would stay closed. This side could probably use a little bit more hot glue, but this is what it looks like at this stage. So I'm gonna finish up the other two and then we'll move on to the next step. I decided to just bring you closer to me because I quickly am realizing that this whole project is all based on hot gluing, basically. So I kind of just camped out here on my little corner, but here are how the little trees are looking. I'm pretty happy with them so far. Some things that I realized that are important is that when gluing the fur on both sides, make sure the fur is glued, like the fur is going down in the same direction. So I had like the fur going down, so I made sure both sides matched. Also be prepared for it to shed a lot. My carpet is covered in, I got it in my eye, fake fur. I'm covered in fake fur. It kind of feels like a cat just shed everywhere in my apartment right now. Next, hopefully this works out, because if it doesn't, this whole project is basically a flop. I'm going to glue the branches on these little wood chips that I got. I think it'll turn out really cute. If it doesn't work out, I don't really have a plan B right now. So we'll just kind of take it as it comes. One nice thing about buying these sticks from the store is that they're cut pretty straight on the ends, so I don't have to worry about it being uneven too much. It's just a matter of getting enough hot glue on there so it'll stick up the way I need it to. I'm gonna try to put the glue as much in the center of the wood chip as possible. And take my little tree. How many things can I hold in my hand at once? Because I can't put this, I've been putting this hot glue gun in my plant because I can't put it on my carpet. So it's all about making do with what you got, you know? So I'm gonna just hold this. Now we wait. Okay. I feel like it's not very stable yet. So far, so good. I feel good about this. We'll see if it actually stands up, but I feel good about it as of right now. So I'm gonna let this cool, and while this one's cooling, I'm gonna do the other two. I think the hot glue is cooled. So now is the moment of truth to see if they will stand up without leaning against something. I really, really hope they do. Okay, 2 more to go. All right, are we 3 for 3? Oh. How cute? Are you kidding me? Hang on. I'm gonna give you a close-up because I'm so happy and surprised with how this turned out. Just give me a second. Just to give you a quick close-up, a better view. Gotta brush this one a little bit there. We'll fix that. But this is something that I definitely think, I got fur blowing all over the place. This is something that I definitely think you'll want to make several of, because if you just put it like by itself like this, not as cute, but if you have like several of them, cute. Okay, this looks like something that they'd sell at like Anthropology or something. I wasn't quite sure how these would turn out, but I have to say I'm pretty impressed with the results, considering I didn't have like a for sure set plan in mind. I think these are pretty cute. Thank you so much for watching today's video, and if you liked it, give it a thumbs up, and I'll see you next time. Okay, bye.